Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you on how to operate or to use the Kenwood hair dryer or blower. So here we have the knob, black knob and a red knob. This black knob here, let me take it a little closer so you can see. This black knob here is to switch it on. And to off it. But if in case you want to increase it, you think you're in a bit hurry and you want to increase it, you on and on it again to give you the highest of all. If you are in a rush or in a hurry, to decrease it is also to lower it from the same place. But if you are just not in so much hurry and you want to take it slowly bit by bit, you use this one. But first you have to turn on the black knob first, because this black knob is to switch and off the hair dryer. With here, if you want to make it blow only with air, here is only for air. You click on that and you have the air blowing. So right now it's only blowing a warm air. So that is it. Kenwood hair dryer. Thank you for having the time to watch how to use a hair dryer.